I'm recording it, fucking asshole.
That's right.
I'm here with this fucking flake that didn't show up last week when I went to fucking Agua Caliente. Fuck you.
Watch your language.
Fuck you. I'll say it again. Fuck you. What a prick. We've been arguing about it. We're going to SOBOBA right now together. And this fucking prick, before he kills us right now.
Because I invited him.
You didn't fucking show. You know what?
I invited
Why didn't you
him.
fucking show up?
Let's go to SOBOBA.
What kind of invite are you? You fucking 20 miles away. Then you call and you text me.
Genius.
20 miles away from fucking Morongo. This asshole goes, yeah, I'm not going to make it.
I tell
he
this
didn't
guy,
say shit when I left my house.
I said I'm in Palmdale.
He goes, I'm in Palm Desert. He goes, I'm in Palm Desert.
Palmdale.
Didn't you tell me 2 weeks in a row, I'm going to be out there in the Palm Desert? Let's go to fucking thing. Right? And then this time you're at Palmdale, all the way by Lancaster. Why the fuck you tell me to go to the fucking Agua Caliente by the freeway? That's the most furthest fucking casino there is.
Yes, but it's
like a fucking joke, Damien. I think you pranked me. I think you pranked me. That's what you did.
I did not prank you.
Yeah, you're like, go out there, haha, I'm not going to make it.
If I would have pranked you, I would have said, ha, good luck, I'm not going, you bastard. But I didn't do that.
You pretty much did. You fucking asshole.
I didn't do that. Don't it made me crash. Fuck, I gotta, okay.
Yeah, you crashed because you're a bad fucking driver.
So I tell this guy, I'm in Palmdale at my buddy's house, helping him do some stuff over there.
Yeah, fucking MacGyver over here.
As soon as I get done, I'll head out and I'll meet you in Agua Caliente.
Yeah, so I leave my house at like 6:15. I tell him I'm leaving now. He goes, okay. He doesn't say a word. I go, I'm passing the 215 where we're at right now. He goes, cool. He sends me a thumbs up thing. And then when I pass Morongo, which is like 20 minutes away from fucking Agua Caliente, he goes, you know what? I don't think I'm gonna make it. And I'm like, what? I drove 80 some odd miles already. And I was like, all right, fuck it. I might as well go over there. Then I go and I get my ass handed to me. But what?
It was not my fault.
What's not your fault? Were you held hostage? Did your friend hold you hostage?
I said, I don't think I'm going to make it because it's 3:15, 4 o'clock, and I'm way out here in Palmdale.
You did not say that when I was at 6:15 when I text you and I go, I left my house.
When did I say that I'm not going to make it after all?
At fucking 7 o'clock or whatever when I was passing Morongo.
Okay.
Okay, what?
You're right.
See? Who wants this asshole? Come take him off my hands. I'm telling you, I'd rather argue against the fucking wall. You know what I mean? This guy's a moron. You guys
anyway,
Javier's a good friend. Javier's a fucking prick.
I felt bad, so I invited this guy tonight. I'm like, I'm gonna pick you up. We're gonna go to SOBOBA. Maybe we'll hit something else later on. And I'm here, and I picked him up on time. I was only 10 minutes late.
Okay, what about the $700 I lost that fucking...
We're gonna win that tonight. We're gonna win it back tonight.
Okay.
But no more than that. Only 700. You cannot win 705.
Is it guaranteed? Is it guaranteed? You
prick? It is not guaranteed.
Okay.
Not all results will be the same. This is just a, what do they call it, that commercial shit? This is just a demonstration. Not all cases are gonna be the same. You know, not like me when I won like $1,000. So.
I need new friends. Please submit your application below. All right. If you're good looking, hot chick, please submit.
Submit, yeah, for sure.
I gotta get rid of this. I can't take him anymore. You see how stupid he is? He argues with me before I turn on the camera for like 10 minutes. Right? We got 4 minutes right now of arguing. So we've been arguing for almost 15 minutes, and then he goes, "You're right."
No, bullshit. We talked about previous.
This is just like all the arguments I had with all my exes, except they didn't say at the end you were right.
They
just shut their mouth and walked, you know, mind their own business after that.
Previous engagements we were talking about, and I said he was right because I did not show, but I had situations, you know. This last time I said Palmdale. He thought Palm Springs.
Yeah, because you're like, I'm going to hang out with my friends like you do every other week out there. So I go, all right, he's out there. Why would I don't give a fuck where you are. Exactly. You could be on the other side of the moon. When I text you at 6 o'clock that I'm leaving the house, you say, bro, I'm not going to make it.
See? You don't care where I am as long as I...
What the fuck? I don't care less. After I lost that 700, dude, I was cursing your name, everything. I went home and I looked up immigration.
He does that shit. He does. People, help me. He does that type of shit. He had ice by my house, and I said,
voted for Trump, so he builds a wall and sends you out.
I'm legit. Coco, where are you?
Coco's gone, dude. She hasn't showed up in fucking months, bro.
Oh, hell no.
I told you, that was a catfish.
Yeah, probably. It's probably cocaine.
See, nobody wants you. Nobody.
They do.
I was the only one, dude. That's it. She's
comment.
Yeah, comment. Take him off my hands. I will FedEx his fat ass to you. Don't worry about it.
Oh, I'm slimming down. Look, bam. We're working out.
Yeah, let's see that belly. Let's see that belly. Dude.
Woo!
That doesn't look like slim to me, bro.
That's just an extra cushion.
That looks like a 12 pack of
Corona. Look at that.
And a fucking
Modelo
quesadilla or something.
So yeah,
seriously,
we're making
I need new friends, okay? We needed a female to be like the third wheel, so I need an application for that. And then I need another sidekick. So if you want to be a Robin to my Batman, please submit.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. And I'm gonna leave this fool. I'm gonna finally leave him alone so you can see how good he had it. You know, when I was his
sidekick,
best friend.
It's all right. I'm gonna start hanging out with Alejandro.
Go ahead. Alejandro, he's all yours, buddy. Text him, call him.
Get him
all the time.
I'm gonna start hanging out with Naomi Slots. Go hang out with her.
She don't want you either.
She does. She called me.
She called you?
No. I lied. I haven't even talked to her ever.
I can't wait till she fucking comments on this video.
Hey, Naomi.
You wish. Naomi, he has a crush on you. But no, he has a crush on everybody. He has no standards whatsoever.
A lot of them, not all of them.
Yeah,
I do have standards.
Yeah, right.
You know.
Make sure you don't miss our freeway, okay? We're good. We're 60, all right?
We're out here, man.
We'll see if we'll make it in one piece. We're going to SOBOBA. For now, it's almost 10 o'clock. We'll probably be there in 30 minutes or so. And then after that, we are going to San Manuel to get our free play after midnight.
After 1.
After 1, excuse me.
There you go. See, people? I gotta correct him because he's over here videoing, not even knowing the time, the situation, the travel. Anyway, I'll take care of him for you. Just go ahead, comment, subscribe, like, hit it 3 times if you can.
Submit the application and please take him off my hands. That's it. We'll see you at SOBOBA next. Anything else, asshole?
We are conducting interviews for.
You're done.
Third wheel. Okay, whatever. I'm conducting.
No, I need a good friend and a chick to come with us. So you know.
All right, the chicks private message me and we can conduct interviews.
All the big girls.
All of them, big, small, medium.
No, he likes them humongous. Go ahead, all of them. Hit them up.
Snicker like a sneaker.
All right, we'll see you at SOBOBA with this idiot. And my 700 that he's gonna give me. Or else I'm gonna fuck this piece of shit car up. We're gonna get. All right, we finally made it to SOBOBA. This idiot back there took the long route. He took me to a route that I never taken here before, and it's next to a million cows. So we both smell like shit right now. He normally smells like shit.
My ass does.
Look at his hair too. Look, he cut it short, huh?
That's right, baby.
He dyed it too.
I didn't dye shit.
Yeah. Where are you going? The door's over here, dummy.
There.
You can't go through there, can you?
Yeah.
Last time it was closed. All right. Wish us luck. All right, our first machine of the night is gonna be a Wonder 4 because that Buffalo Gold Progressive is huge, and so is that Grand. So we're gonna play 3 screens of Buffalo Gold and 1 of Timberwolves. We're gonna start at 230 and then kick it up to 460 afterwards. Let's turn the volume up. Look at that, it's showing right there too. Nothing yet. Alright, let's go to 460 with that. Oh, just missed it in that second reel. Alright, we got the jacks for $4. Oh shit. Just went by. $380 there. Come on, give us something. Alright, we got about 4 or 5 spins left. Alright, last spin. Oh, we got the wolves up there. Like 12 bucks or something. Alright, last spin. Just missed it. We got enough for a 230 spin. Wow, we're 1 cent short. Alright, that's it. That was Wonder 4. Crappy, no bonus, no nothing. On to the next. Alright, we stopped at Ultimate Firelink, the bingo version 1, and we dumped 100 bucks in there. So now this is 100 number 3, Dragon Link. Autumn Moon, we got 5 bucks in free play too. And we're gonna pick Nickel Dina, start at $1.25 a bet. Volume all the way up. Need 3 of those moons for free games. Yeah, 12 bucks, not bad. I think it's the best hit we had all day. We were betting 4 bucks a spin at Ultimate Firelink. We got nothing. Let's go to 250 now. Oh. Let's go 375. Jesus, come on. Yeah, of course they give you the big totals. It's not gonna hit. Hey. Oh, I can't believe it. This is 300 bucks without 1 bonus. Then you get a bonus in 1 to 4, not one at Ultimate Firelink, and we're 12 bucks away from no bonus on here either. Yeah, there you go. Nothing. Ugh. Alright. We're gonna play some Mighty Cash. Long 10 Hoochie Mama. 10-cent denom. And we're gonna do 250 a bet. Let's hope for that dragon. Come on, free games. There we got 32.50. Drop some writing. Nothing. Yeah, all it took was $400 for our first bonus. $60. All right, we're gonna get off this and go to maybe some Lightning Link. All right, Lightning Link, Heartthrob. Those are the totals. We're gonna go nickels. Start at $1.25 first. Go to 250. $3.75 now. Yeah. Best hit of a night, $15. Other than that bonus. Ah, it's such a good total too. Come on. Come on, 4 of you guys. There we go. They all match too. 75, 37, 15. Alright. That's $60. what else we can get. Fill it all up. Alright, we got the mini for 50. I've seen the major go by 2 or 3 times already. Just drop it. It's $811. Come on. Hey, another 50. Nice. There we go. Fill the whole screen up one time, please. It's 21,900. All right, last spin miracle. Come on. Do it. Ah, you bastard. Still very nice. I'm guessing around 200 bucks. All right, 182.50. Good. We need it. We're in 400 bucks. There we go. We got 258. All right, let's go back to $1.25. Go to 250. There we go. There, we got 6 free games, I believe. We want a whole screen of those diamonds. Oh. Got 2 more spins. Woo! That should be good. That should be very good. Too bad we didn't have a premium symbol here. Or at least we have a premium symbol there. Let's see how much that is for. Woo, 152. We're in 400 bucks. We're up 4 to 401. We got one more spin. All right, that's it. We're cashing out. Woo, hell of a comeback. Glad we came to this machine. It's weird the way it is. Anyways, we're done here. I lost another 100 bucks right now after that heartthrob game. Lost another 100 at the OG version of Ultimate Fire Link. And then of course he's always a loser. Look at him.
I was even, but
his
I
Speedo
decided to
mask.
get some more.
He made that mask out of a Speedo.
It's a titty mask. It has a titty.
All right, we're going to San Manuel right now. Hopefully we get there in one piece, get something to eat. I'm starving. And then hopefully we get our money back over there. All right, see you guys over there.